Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Septian. If this is your first time here, I'm an audio only channel that deals in true wireless stereo earbuds and in-ear monitors and headphones. Today I'm finally reviewing the Liberty 3 Pro true wireless earbuds that are stacked. This stacked with so many features. So first off, the price. As I'm recording this video, you can get these from Amazon for $169 US, and they come in a multitude of colors, including midnight black, dust purple, fall gray, and what I bought, false white. Now I got these directly from Soundcore a few months ago. I think they were $150. They were they had a little discount when they first came out. Now I'm going to show you an unboxing of me geeking out, and after that I'm going to do a mic test. So I'll be right back. Oh, I'm excited. Oh, get this crap up out of here. Okay, let me see. I think he just pulled. Wait, no. Soundcore is special. Oh my god! Oh my god! Look at him! Ooh wee! And this is the frost white. I got the frost white. That cocaine. Okay, I don't know if this is gonna show up on the camera, but there's a Soundcore logo like right here on the nozzle. That is cold. So it's white and then it's silver and it's like this rose gold. That is tight. You got the right branding on here. You got the charging pins. Wow. Ooh. Look at all the tips. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sets of tips. And then you got the ear hooks. And it's showing you right here how to get the perfect fit. This is very important. Read this because you need to have a perfect fit. You need to have a good seal so you get that good bass response. Oh, right, okay. Let me see, I guess on the side here, we get some, oh, okay. Dang, this is a presentation right here, man. It's like getting one of those limited edition Star Wars 3-disc collector packs. Okay, okay, that's some paperwork there. We got some more paperwork. Okay, we got a quick start guide, and we got some safety and warranty information. All right, I don't need all that. I'll go ahead and put that back in there. Man, this is an experience right here. What else do you do? That's it? That's it. Okay. Jeez Louise. Okay, let me see if they got bait. Let me see if they got any juice on the case. Yeah, I got 3 dots. I got 2 dots. That's plenty. The charging case is really small. It's smaller than the Liberty Air 2 Pro case. I don't know where I put those buds at. I wish I could compare them right quick. Okay, let me put the tips on here. Let me see. No. Let me try these. And the tips, they're springy. And they look like they got some kind of plastic on the nozzle here. Look at that. Okay, this is an experience. Okay, let me go ahead and put the, oh, they just clicked on. Just like that. Wow. Woo! I'm gonna have some fun with these. Oh, the review is coming. Now that you've heard me embarrass myself, this is a mic test in a quiet environment inside the workshop. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to move over to the features of the earbuds. Okay, now for the features of the earbuds. You are getting high-res audio with LDAC. You're getting a tailored active noise cancellation. You're also getting ACAA 2.0, which is Soundcore's coaxial driver technology. So these earbuds have a balanced armature and a dynamic driver inside. They give you immersive soundstage, and it's really good. Like, spoiler, the bass is strong, the mids are clear, and the treble is very crisp, detailed. You're also getting a personalized Hear ID sound. So an ear canal test combined with ANC that fits your ears. You also get multi-point connection. You can connect to multiple devices. You're also getting what Soundcore is calling Fusion Comfort to reduce ear fatigue, so you can wear these earbuds for hours. And I've slept in these and they're very comfortable. You also get 32 hours of total playtime. That's 8 hours on a single charge with average use. This FYI, if you got LDAC turned on, that battery life, you're gonna probably get maybe like 6 hours with ANC on and 8 hours with ANC off. You also get wireless charging with fast charge included, Bluetooth 5.2, so SBC, AAC, Qualcomm aptX, and LDAC. You're also getting 6 mics with noise reduction when you're on a phone call, in-ear detection, and last but not least, IPX4 water resistant. So these aren't jacuzzi ready or shower ready. Don't take these anywhere near water. Now, we're going to move over to the Soundcore app. Okay, now let's go over the Soundcore app. Now, there's a lot to go over here. Now, when you first open up the app, it will look different than the Liberty Air 2 Pro or the Live P3 or any other earbuds you look. I don't know why Soundcore does that, but well, it is what it is. It'll show you the battery indicators for the case and the earbuds. You also have an ambient sound function or section. You got the Hear ID, ANC. You got normal mode, transparency, and you can customize that. You can go fully transparent or vocal mode. You also have wind noise reduction. You can take a Hear ID test. I've already taken mine. And you also have a Hear ANC test. Now what this does is it does an ear canal test, and it tests like the ANC, how it's adaptive. Also, you got your sound effects. I got Hear ID sound. You got 3D surround sound. You cannot use this with LDAC. You've got the Soundcore signature, which is default, and then you got custom. Now the controls. Whew, bread and butter of these. You get a single tap, double tap, long press, and tap 3 times. Let me go ahead and just going to cut that. Well, I can't. Crap. Well, I don't want that as volume down because all I really wanted. Well, let me try and there. Okay, there. I got it set up the way I want it. So I got single tap, controls volume, double tap for previous track on the left, and pause and play. You can mix and match. You can do whatever you want with this. This is your options. You get volume up, volume down, next track, previous track, pause, play, activating the voice assistant, and ambient sound. And about that, okay, let me see. So this is your ambient sound. You can cycle through. You get noise cancellation, you get transparency mode, and you get normal mode. And even the ANC is granular. It's granular touch controls. It's customizable. You can do whatever you want with it. You go into here. Also get, this is my favorite, the fit test. Now what this does is it makes sure that you have a good seal so you can hear that bass, and it helps isolate the noise for better noise canceling experience when you're using ANC. So overall, in my opinion, the Soundcore app is the best when it comes to customization. It's giving you so many features. Now let's talk about the sound quality. Whoo, man, the sound quality is undeniable. It's good. Like, my God, the bass is punchy, it's rumbly, it gets deep. The treble is so crisp and clear. The vocals, male and female, oh my God, it's just good. It's like a big giant Las Vegas like V-shaped sound signature. This is so good. And the soundstage is so immersive. like you can hear where the instruments are coming from. And since you get that Hear ID test, it'll basically just feel like the music is coming from every angle. I love it. It's great. Now, comparison. Well, I got my buddies right here, the Liberty Air 2 Pros. You can check that review out. At one point, these were my favorite from Soundcore, but now I'm going to have to go with these. Now, both of these earbuds are good as sound quality wise. They both support LDAC. They both have wireless charging. They both have good silicone tips out of the box. They feel great. You get these also work with the Soundcore app. So you can pick, you want to spend $170 or you want to spend $100. As a matter of fact, these were like 88 bucks on Black Friday, Cyber Monday. If you didn't take advantage of that deal, that's on you, homie. Now, I want to do my little can I go deaf, because I want to see how loud these get. So I am going to get my decimal meter and I'm going to play some music. I've been listening to a lot of Chris Stapleton today. I heard a song while I was at the store. I was using the Now Playing with Google. That's cool, by the way. I love that feature. I found one of his songs. Let me go ahead and see how loud these get. They get plenty loud for me. Let's see here. Okay, 108. That's pretty loud. Okay. 80, 60. Let me pick another song. Let me pick something. Let me pick some hip hop. That might be just a little too low. Let me see. Let me pick some Polo G. And some with some bass. Did I got the volume all the way up? Yep. Okay, yeah, there we go. 108, 109, 111, 110, 108. Okay, you get pretty loud. Alright, not bad. So, in conclusion to this review, Soundcore, they have outdid themselves. I thought the Liberty Air 2 Pro were the best earbuds they ever came out with. I was wrong. These are the best. These are the best earbuds that you can buy sound quality wise. Now you're going to spend a little bit more money. You can get the Edifier Neo Buds Pro. Those are $130. You can get the Liberty Air 2 Pro. You won't be disappointed with either one you get. But these, I love these. I highly recommend these earbuds. Multiple features, this robust, deep, rich music. Audio quality is out of this world. Like, man, I've never heard, like, the sound is just, oh, it's just, you can wrap it around you like a coat blanket, man. It's just good. Oh, I love it. So this has been the review of the Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro True Wireless Earbuds. Be sure to like, comment, share this video. Enjoy your sound, enjoy your life. I'm out.